Welcome to this explainer. Ever wonder if everyday objects actually have rights? Let's dive into that mind-bending idea.
Seriously, imagine a cosmic rule where absolutely everything, not just us humans, has a fundamental right.
Take water. Its natural right is to quench thirst. If you don't use it right, you violate it. Trace a light bulb's glow back through the grid, dams, and rain. It literally points straight to the creator. Honoring that ultimate right means we gotta ask why. We need genuine curiosity to truly understand the creator.
That brings us to ilm. True knowledge isn't just absorbing random facts. It's the critical act of distinguishing. Think about it. If you try hearing every sound at once, you hear nothing. Intellect totally requires focus.
Now, we're facing a huge crisis today. We've got knowledgeable people lacking faith, and faithful people lacking knowledge. Splitting science from faith is a total disaster. It literally fractures our society and halts all human progress.
So how do we fix this? Enter the 4B framework. Inform, build consciousness, unite, and finally, integrate. Step 1, inform. You see, without the right baseline information, taking correct action is basically impossible.
Step 2, consciousness. Raw data without real awareness, it's just like a frozen flower that never bears fruit.
And here's the kicker. True consciousness doesn't make you arrogant. It actually builds profound humility.
Step 3, unite. True knowledge is always meant to bridge humanity and ideas, never to divide us.
We absolutely must reject false divisions. The best scholars seamlessly combine biology, astronomy, and deep theology.
Finally, step 4, integrate. Every piece of valid knowledge, from physics to scripture, points to one ultimate truth.
Perspective is everything. Praising the sun makes it an idol, but praising its creator, that's profound wisdom. The entire universe is basically a grand text, and scientific facts are just footnotes pointing to its author.
So I'll leave you with this. Is your knowledge property breeding arrogance or a trust bringing humility?